excited by this because of what I found. Now you all know I shop at Select Fitwear because I like her bra that covers your back fat so that you get that flat finish in the back and you don't have that skin hanging over. But I found this by her. Anybody who is into shapewear will, I had it upside down. So anybody who's into shapewear would understand, and who has a short torso will understand why I absolutely love this waist shape trainer. Now a lot of people always would have, some people like it, some people don't. I have been using shapewear garments since forever. I believe that it holds you, especially, actually I wear one when I do horse riding. It gives me that support as well, but not this one, a different one to give me that support on my back. And it also cinches in my waist, so I look neater in my garment. Now this, I tend to wear these at home. I don't use shapewear when I'm exercising because I believe I don't like to restrict my breathing. So I try to make myself comfortable while I'm working out. However, what I love about this, and all my short torso, especially my short torso people come in. You see this cut here for the bra, so you don't get it pushing up on the bust. This is what I love about this. Now I saw them on the internet, and when I saw that Select Shape Fitwear had it, I said, nah, I had to get me one of these. I believe, well, you know, obviously that is my girl, so she'll give me a little discount. So I believe it's like $400 or $450, I don't know. Don't quote me on it. I'll get the proper price and I'll post it. So you see this curve here? This curve here is going to, you're going to get a beeping song. Something wrong with one of my alarms. So you're going to hear that beeping song. So you see this curve right here? That is so that your bra, instead of pushing up against your bra, it more or less kind of connects or fuses, so you don't get a over busty, making it look like a strong man look. And then you see how nice and short it is, so it fits right under here for my torso. And then you see how short the back is, so it doesn't sit on the butt and poke it out and make it look a bit make it look unnatural. And it goes high up on the back, and it creates that area here for your waistline, so it doesn't rest, it just rests comfortably on the back. So this is for my short torso people, especially. She has a lot of variety. Go get your bra for your back fat, especially with Christmas coming up. And it's a nice deep cut. Like one of my friends, she didn't realize, she was asking me what kind of bra I was wearing under the last dress I was wearing. What I tend to do is when I make my dresses or making any tops, I tend to carry my bra that I will be wearing on the day of, and I ask my designer, seamstress, however you want to call her, to make to let the top or the dress come in conformity with where the straps, or line up with where the straps of the bra would be. So this is mine. So I'm going to start. I am a size 34. Yeah, your girl doing well. So this is a medium. So it's Select Fitwear, right? So so I just want to show you all how you hook it up. Now the best way to actually hook up a waist trainer is lying down. A lot of people don't realize that lying down helps you to put on the waist trainer a little easier if you don't have help at home, right? So you bring it in. I am going on it first, and then as my waist continues to shrink, I will bring it in a bit more. So it's very easy, as I told you. Well, I was wearing it before, even though I don't mind having the tag, I had it on. When did I get this? Last Friday. So I was wearing it, and that's why it's a little easier for me to get into it, because I had it on before. So it kind of stretched out a bit. So I'm going to wear it on the first hook for maybe about 3 weeks to a month, depending on if my waist continues to snatch in, if the ham and black cake and whatever else don't hinder my goals for Christmas. But it's quite easy and very comfortable. It is latex though, so if you know you have any latex allergies, I would advise that you use this. You can ask her. She has the non-latex ones, but the non-latex ones don't do you as much justice as this one does. So you see how that curve underneath here with your bra, and the trick to this, when you have on a bra with this, is that you don't need to have your bra straps as tight, because you're going to get a support from underneath, so you can loosen some of your tensions from your bra there. So that is how, see, very nice. So you see how high up it is on the back. So it also covers, but I have on one of her bras that holding in my back part, so you won't really see it hanging over. Now, you see how this gives me, and it's quite comfortable. I can move, I can do everything in it. So this is what I would recommend. So while you're doing your Christmas chores, you're just mopping. I tend to wear mine's minimum 4 hours a day. Once I'm home on the weekend, I tend to put it on when I'm getting ready before work, so I get in some waist training. So I tend to waist train a lot. Hence one of the reasons I think, and I've been through waist training for years, so hence one of the reasons why I think I've been able to keep my form a bit. So this is one of the waist trainers. This is it from the side, and as you lose the weight, you just bring in the hook, or as you start to feel it getting slack, one of the things you wouldn't do is wash it and put it. You can wash it in the washing machine in cold water, or you can hand wash it. Don't put it in the dryer. The dryer will destroy the elasticity. And what it's really supposed to have is 2 waist trainers. So while one, because what happens, the sweat tends to break down the latex in the garment. So what you can do is get 2. It's Christmas, treat yourself. So you get 2 of them, and you just, you know, you get the, you have 2 waist trainers. So when one is, you can wear it under your clothing too. I know this tends to show depending on the fabric, but one of the tricks that another friend of mine who purchased one does is she would wear like a t-shirt underneath, over like those camisoles, before she puts on her shirt, or her dress, if she thinks it will print out. So this is my trick, and you see how high and nice it is, so it looks very natural there. You see how my back flat, that is because of she has the back fat bra, so you could look into getting one of those as well. I wear that every day. This is our old one, so this one kind of stretch out, so you're not giving me the support at home. But for the back fat, everything for me is always wearing that good fitting those good fitting undergarments. Yes?